Students at UT are innovators, problem solvers, artists, and leaders. So many of the great things at UT have been created by students. This is really a place where you can make a difference. Kiara, a government major, is going to tell us about all the ways she's made an impact here on campus. You're on, Kiara.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, y'all. My name is Kiara Kabara, and I am the student body president here at the University of Texas at Austin, where I am a senior government major with a double minor in business and entrepreneurship at the wonderful Macomb School of Business, where we are number 5 in the nation for undergraduate studies. My business professors inspired me to host my own event, The Lounge. Held in 2019, The Lounge provided a platform for Black student entrepreneurs to spotlight their business, as well as a space for student athletes to engage with the student body. We also awarded 2 college scholarships to high school seniors through my nonprofit Ball Out with funds from the Lounge raffle. While my minor is in business and entrepreneurship, as a government major, I aspire to follow in the footsteps of wonderful women like Stacey Abrams, Lady Bird Johnson, and of course, the wonderful Barbara Jordan. And they all inspired me to become the second African-American woman student body president here at the University of Texas at Austin. Before I became student body president, I worked tirelessly my junior year to bring back the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, UT Austin chapter. The NAACP at UT has grown to more than 100 members in less than 2 years, and the chapter now gives student athletes a platform and the opportunity to sit on the executive board. I have felt so blessed to spend the last 4 years here on the 40 acres. UT Austin has brought me lifelong friendships, inspiring mentors, and the tools to change the world. I know wherever I go, my Longhorn family will be with me. Hook 'em, and back to you, Alex.
Awesome job, Kiara. You've accomplished so much here. It's really inspiring to see the drive UT students have in pursuing their goals and helping the university community flourish. That story was amazing. Take care.